Good morning! I'm back! Hello, welcome to my channel, Janice Bilingual Bridge. Today you will be learning asking how in Filipino language. First of all, have a wonderful Friday. Today is November 14, 2025. Let's start. Asking how in Filipino language. How to make pancake. You have to say in Visayan, unsaon pagama ang pancake. Again, unsaon pagama ang pancake. In Tagalog, you have to say, paano gagawin ang pancake? Again, paano gagawin ang pancake? Alright, hope you enjoy learning. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and have a good one.